Good morning everyone. Today I am Harsh from the Attitude Tally Academy at Yamuna Bihar, and now I am going to tell you the secret of happiness. We can see in the present time there are a lot of people who is running behind getting the money, but they are not feeling happiness right now. They are not spending time with their family, and they are forgetting what is the real happiness, and they think that it is only the play of money. But this is not the play of money. It depends on your mind, on your inclination of your mind, because there is only one, your mind, that can perform the miracle for you. And that's why many scholars had said that if you want to be happy, so just happy. It doesn't cost anything for getting the happy. And that's why Nas also says, my mind is a freedom to me. And now I am going to tell you 3 contents which makes a happy person. And first of all, I want to take the purity. So could anybody tell me what is the definition of the purity? No? Let me indoctrinate you. What is the meaning of the purity? Purity never dies with the timing. Purity is a state which is needed by a person who wants to reach to the divine. And the second one is divinity, which is essential part of our internal body. Divinity is the state in which we require something from our God. I have an example for you. There are a lot of people who suffers, and in that time they recall to their God, because there is only one who is omniscient, and they help always to us. And now, did you know there are many words that are considered happy than human? Why? Because in spite of the fact that during the summer vacation and the winter season, millions of birds going toward the die, and due to the hailstorm, but they are not feeling sadness, because there is one specific thing in their mind. They never recall their past, but on the contrary, human beings always recall their past and they get sadness, and they never remembering their happiness. And eventually I want to tell you, the happiness and the sorrowness is both the essential part of our life. We cannot continue without them. It is the simultaneously world which is going on with a time of period with a human, and we cannot change it. It is the gift of the God, and we should carry out it. And it is compared to both the shoes which we have to purchase. We cannot wear a shoe in our one feet. In the same manner, we cannot pursue only happiness. That's all. Thank you.